It don't rate you. It don't rate you. Batty man that. Oh. Batty man that. Cause there's no way a woman can text you and I tell you something. And you gonna look on me and tell me say she don't mean no harm. That simple mean you rate she over me. That simple means say you rather she over me. And you give she more props and ratings over blood clot me. Oh, I bet you this is something else. I bet you this say you go text her. I bet you say you go ask her what it mean. I bet you this is something else that you say she mean no harm. And you don't know the girl from nowhere. Oh. You don't know her from nowhere. You just give her moderator. Because if you didn't know her a long time, you been give her moderator. You're going to know her a long time too, and your DM and suck off your dirty wood. Oh. Come tell me, say. Tell me, say. She don't mean no harm. Old donkey. Favor them blood clot donkey giraffe. Oh. Tell her that. Don't text her, call back my phone, you know. If you come on me, have me a spit by you and call police and tell them say you're a lady and me tell them to come and my block you, you know. Alright. You're too old now. You know from when me say you get fucking bright. May I tell you from when me see you get bright. From when last night you see views and you're gonna look for me and tell me say something about dog. Me remember when I said last night when me and him a play and him a talk about dog. And I say, excuse me, don't fuck yourself them way there. Cause there's no way you can depend the life. And I call your woman dog. Throw him give me one deer and me a bark like one dog. You go on blood clot come say something about dog. And me have to say excuse me. Me have to say excuse me. Even if a game we a play, you don't come for my life, come call me a dog just because you take me some for rough like one dog. You pass your place right there, so you pass your place. Oh, I mean, no one of me alone here, the people them did depend the life. Me don't remember exactly what him said, but him called me dog about my girl, some shit and that. And that was very disrespectful. I mean, say, excuse me, don't do that. And then them pussy always go like them want time, like them want me bring back the blood clot all Ivany and I give a fuck. Oh.